I've gone to Brazil many times to photograph Brazilian guys to get source material for my drawings and paintings. But one of my favorite models ever, my favorite Brazilian model, is Marcos. I worked with him on 3 separate trips, but some of the very best images happened on the first photo shoot we did. We went south from Rio to Angra dos Reis, where we chartered a boat and sailed around and found a deserted island with a beach where I could photograph Marcos in the nude. And that is where the photograph that I'm going to work from today was shot. Before I start painting, I usually tweak the image in Photoshop to make it easier to paint from. This involves using several Photoshop filters that get rid of detail and make the color areas easier to see. If you're interested in how I do this, I'll put a link in the description to my video on this channel that explains all that. While I'm painting, I tend to refer to the tweaked image almost exclusively because that keeps me from getting too distracted by detail, and it helps me stay loose while I'm painting. One of my major goals, well, actually a couple of my major goals while doing this painting are to keep it loose, that's always something I'm going for, and to make the edges more interesting. I've always had a tendency to make all my edges really hard and sharp and realistic, and the truth is that tends to make a painting less interesting. So I've been working hard lately on making my edges softer or losing them entirely. Not everywhere, just selectively. Watch the time lapse as I'm painting and hopefully you'll see what I mean. As usual, I begin by putting the big shapes of the image onto canvas with pencil, and then I cover the whole thing with an acrylic wash. And while that's drying, I start mixing the basic colors I'm going to need to get started. And then it's time to paint. The painting is called Marcus in Shorebreak 2.